Modern financial services are being destroyed and completely rebuilt around the consumer. We need to do that the best in order to win that race. I'm Logan and I'm the Director of Design here at nanopay. So the reason I was attracted to nanopay in general was the idea of being able to work on design problems that impact the core of society. One of the things we're trying to solve at nanopay is a fundamental problem that affects everybody in society, and as a designer I don't think there's anything greater that you can actually apply your time to. It's really attractive to a lot of designers to work on surface level problems, but I fundamentally believe that we have enough ways of sending photos back and forth. One of the challenges of being a designer in fintech in general is the concept of working with someone else's money. Money intrinsically has some psychological and emotional attachment to it, so you have to be very cautious about why you choose to do the things you do in your designs and how you're going to implement those. One of the largest opportunities we have here as a design team at nanopay is to make an impact on literally the entire population of the planet. Payments, I think, if you ask anyone who's close to the space or has even interacted with the payment infrastructure that exists today, is inherently broken. There's much better ways of doing it, so we get to help basically carve the future for what those ways are.